Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So if you've been in the store the last week, you would have noticed that I wasn't there at all. I've been away up in the snow, trying my best to look vaguely coordinated while I'm snowboarding, and doing my best not to end up in the back of an ambulance. One of the reasons that I love actually watching the snow and being out in it is it actually reminds me quite a lot about modern investing. We see a lot of things come through. We see a lot of things that last and look great. They feel great. They're good for a season. But eventually, when the pressure's applied to them and the heat's applied and the real stuff, the real world starts coming through, summer arrives again, you'll actually find that with all that snow, it just melts away. And when the pressure's on, it's not there, unlike hard assets. And it doesn't have to be just gold, there's obviously other hard assets. But obviously we're a gold channel, so that's what we talk about quite a lot. But it really does emphasise to me as I watch the snow fall and everyone playing it and get excited and have a lot of fun with the snow and what's around. It's these types of things, your fiat currencies, some of, and I'm not saying all, but some of the cryptocurrencies, some of these fly-by-night investments that we see come through. When you get to my age, you've seen them cycle through several times, where they look great, they're fun to play with, they are great for a season, but eventually they disappear and melt away once spring arrives. That's all I wanted to say. Back in the store next week, looking forward to catching up with everyone again. Until then, see ya.